唉，下個星期有急事要做，要請假，點算好呢？
學校規定咧，試假要提前2日申請嘅，快啲申請啦！
提早申請方便老師安排活動，同埋大家都可以配合到啊嘛。
提早請假，讓課堂更順利。
請試假記得提前申請啊！
飛哥，我想考完試之後去翻我哋玩幾日啊？你話星期6好定係星期日好啊？
翻幾日？考完試之後，我哋仲有2日對卷日同埋事後活動，我點可以翻幾日㗎？
請假咪得咯，我 call 阿媽幫我請假。
試假係唔可以亂請㗎，你知唔知學生係唔可以用翻鄉下探親作為理由而請試假嘅？你會俾人扣分㗎。
喂，你睇下7月頭去日本嗰張機票好平喎，你睇7月5號飛去大阪嗰張機票只係得1000零蚊啫喎，唔翻香港玩去日本玩。你做咩遮住塊面㗎？
我雖然嘅未來7月5號，你如果飛咗去大阪嘅話咧，你會俾人扣手規分，知唔知點解？因為學生係唔可以用旅遊作為請試假嘅理由啊，同埋事後活動咁精彩，又點可以錯過呢？
Hey, I plan to go back to Nepal to visit my grandparents after my summer tutorial classes.
But when do you return to Hong Kong?
Probably in the first week of September. I want to stay in Nepal a bit longer and I want to spend time with my grandparents.
But the school year will start on the 1st of September and you must return back to school before the start of the school year.
Fine, I guess I'll change my flight ticket to the last week of August.
OK， 咁先至係自律守規嘅鳳梨人啊嘛。
你知唔知啊？讀多一本書，你嘅選擇就會越嚟越多。當人哋仲喺度打緊機嘅時候，閱讀嘅你已經喺度累積緊超能力啦。一本書就係一個新世界，歷史、科幻、文學，你想去邊？我就係每日靠30分鐘嚟閱讀，先由包尾變榜首啊！而家就揀本好書，養成讀書嘅好習慣啦。今日讀嘅書都係成為你嘅資本。
大家好，我係5A 班嘅蔡佳冰，今日係代表課程規劃組向大家推介一本好書。呢本書呢，就係《原子習慣》，作者從生理層面出發，先解釋咗習慣對於個人發展點解會帶來巨大嘅差異，跟住就說明佢提倡培養新習慣，戒掉壞習慣嘅4個步驟，咁就係提示、渴望、回應、獎賞。原子習慣好似係一個行動嘅手冊，先說服你改變習慣點解咁重要，跟住再俾方法你，教導你如何去執行。人人都有想戒掉嘅壞習慣，另一方面，人們都有想建立嘅好習慣。但係習慣最困難嘅地方就在於，大部分人都虎頭蛇尾。啱啱開始嗰陣，就好熱切地去改變個習慣，但係過咗1-2個禮拜之後就打回原形，跟住我哋就會怪罪自己缺乏恒心同意志力，唔可以咁樣好好嘅維持。到底點解改變習慣咁難嘅？喺本書度就提出，決定你的成功或失敗的不是你的目標，而是你的系統。我們的日常習慣先至係真正造就成功嘅關鍵，而唔係睇嗰啲看似巨大嘅改變。就如作者所講，改變習慣最有效嘅方式就係將焦點擺喺你想成為點樣嘅人，而唔係達成點樣嘅效果。例如，目標唔應該係完成某篇文章，而係讓自己成為一個每天寫作的人。目標唔係讀一本書，而係成為讀書的人。目標唔係跑一趟馬拉松，而係成為跑步的人。目標唔係學會一種樂器，而係成為演奏音樂的人。希望同學都可以去睇下呢本書，每日從細微處做起，養成一啲好嘅習慣，例如每日返屋企整理下啲課堂筆記，限制自己每日打機嘅時間等等。習慣雖然少，但係力量無窮。就如作者所講，每日進步1%， 1年之後就有37倍嘅成長。大家加油啊！
小美借咗25本書，佢嘅秘訣就係每日5休讀1本。阿祥挑戰30本，佢話數學令我停唔低啊！小亞狂借50本 ，Oh my god！佢係咪住喺圖書館㗎？ 下次就換你嘅名寫上去排行榜啦。
Hello everyone, today we're gonna announce the results of the third readathon round, which was held on April 24th, 25th, 28th, 29th, 30th, May 14th, 15th, 16th, and 19th.
Good morning everyone, this is Hannah. Welcome to today's morning broadcast.
Good morning, this is Emma Wong. It's my pleasure to meet you all.
Anything new today?
Yes, we're going to announce the round 3 readathon results in S1 and S2.
I can't wait to know the result. I believe that you have the same feeling as me.
Definitely. Let's announce the S1 performance in the third round now. The following is the best performers in each class. 1A 陳建浩、陳綠琪、劉奕迅、納爾濟凡、但訓雲天、歐國豪。
1B Gabriel, Prasan, Leo, Hannah, Sohan, Siddhartha, Ivanka, Alexandra, Brian, Pabik, Yuvin, Syra, Avius, Rihanna, Umang, Adriel, Ira, Isaiah, Amna, and Season.
1C 戚宇謙、黃子臻、協浩兒。
1D 蔡子晴、劉子仁。
1E 歐欣橋、陳家寶、陳思業、蔣博文、周景南、李俊富、盧永晴、杜卓星、吳希良、吳奕坤、潘子喬、蘇俊偉、蘇雲音、譚其俊、杜子軒、蔡俊升、徐子賢、黃之穎、楊琪希、葉永森、張依、趙願晴、莊智恩、馮燕君、黃俊儀、陳俊宇、姚一希。
Okay, let's read out the names of S2 students who performed the best in each class.
2A 蔡子柔、陳子軒、陳澤涵、鄭日林、朱善堂、郭瑞瑩、林俊銘、劉卓南、劉俊雲、李子欣、林舒宇、萬子軒、黃許俊浩、黃毅瑾、莊柏禮、陳銘俊、傅宇飛、容家浩。
2B Zara, Samicha, Gunver, Garima, Lloyd, Sammy, Wasil, Habiba, Jonica, Nation, Sesehang, Tomya, Yuncho, Isabella, Pratigya, Yancha, Lima, Jayanti, Shishir, Soumya, Abhinav, and Susanna.
2C 黎心晴、林嘉晴、温樂文。 2D 關祖賢、林天恒、李建峰。 2E 漢木峰、祁義維、林俊卓、李樂怡、林子涵、劉佳瑞、吳子豪、黃正豪、黃淼嘉、黃卓謙、朱錦軒、阮宇森、張廣涵、劉美琳、洪嘉業、黃庭義。 Congratulations, Hannah! You did a great job this round. I'm sure you'll get a gift and your teachers and classmates must be proud of you.
Thank you. You also got 5-star too. For those who aren't mentioned, please don't give up. I am sure you would improve if you persevere.
That's all for today. I'm looking forward to seeing you next year.
Let's practice together. Okay, everyone, it's time to say goodbye. See you next time.
Bye!
Good morning everyone, I'm Cody from 1E.
I'm Rambo from 1E.
Last week, Ms. Crush introduced some famous people in the history during the morning assembly. Do you remember their names?
Yes, they are Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo. They lived a long time ago during the Renaissance period. They are known for their great art.
I like Leonardo da Vinci more. He was both a painter and a scientist. He painted the very famous Mona Lisa and invented the flying machine.
I admire Michelangelo. He was a sculptor and painter. He made the famous statue of David. So talented.
Did they live in the same time?
Yes, they lived around the same time, but Da Vinci was older than Michelangelo. Rumor has it that there was a feud between the two.
That's interesting. I want to learn more about their art and different styles.
You will be able to learn more in your history lessons and in the library. Let's review the vocabulary.
Leonardo da Vinci was a famous artist and inventor.
Michelangelo was a famous sculptor and painter. They are both important figures in history. That's all for today.
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
星光大道，導演、記者，咦，主播，唔通我可以成為下一個嘅台長？誒，呢個咪 MIU 嗰個 Camman，個樣咁專業嘅喺度做咩咧？
喂，你嚟拎學生證㗎？得，唔好講，跟落嚟先。
我想，
係咪先？嚇？好啦，我哋 MIU 依家正在進行招募緊啊！
你都唔講，我點知點加入啊？
咁大家對拍攝有冇熱誠？
有。
有冇創造力？
有。
係啦，冇錯啦，只要你係對拍攝有熱誠、有豐富嘅創造力，同埋亦都有鳳靈精神嘅鳳靈人，就可以參加㗎啦。係啦，就係咁。咁你係咪嚟報名㗎？
你都唔講，我點知點報名啊？
課室嘅壁報版咪有咯，聲講乜嘢啊？
好啦，截止日期咧就係下星期五嘅6月6號。咁咧你可以喺壁報版上面填低個名啦。咁喺獲選咗之後咧，咁就可以參加我哋7月中嘅訓練班。咁成功之後咧就可以加入我哋㗎啦。
喂，咁聽日都唔係好難啫喎。
咁你仲入唔入啊？
仲諗，快填你報名表交俾 MIU 嘅一員啦。
冇錯。誒，人呢？
阿軒仔，係你中意乜嘢？
比起電腦室，我更加中意 MIU。
葉本人，
係
你中意乜嘢？
比起補習社，我更加中意 MIU。
阿叫陣，
係
你中意啲咩？
比起羽毛球，我更加中意 MIU。大家，
係
你中意乜嘢？我都係最中意
MIU。